Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Here I'm teaching how to customize Cargo Collective websites with code. So today we're going to build the website you see on my screen from Cargo Collective thumbnail index. I'll show you how to move your captions from default bottom position to any other place, for example top left position, how to add some prefixes to each title, and also how to make your text to be responsive. You see now, like when I'm scaling the screen, the text is scaling together with the images. Also, we will adapt some styles for mobile, and I'll show you how to customize it a little bit so you can adjust it to your own project. And let's go. We will start with an empty page as usual, and let me show you the settings. So I set padding to be 1 except for the top one. I made it a little bit larger and you will see in a minute why. I also set height to be 100%, but it doesn't matter. It's important only if you're building quite like a short page. And the page background is set to black. Here I have my pages prepared, so this is going to be my templates, and in settings you can choose which thumbnail you like for each page. And you may notice that I'm not using any prefixes here in page names, and this is all you need. Now let's add thumbnails. So here they are, and let's click settings and first select the set we want. This is going to be pages, and let's change layout to be freeform and enable titles. Sometimes they're not getting enabled, but you can just click again and here they are. Now you can restructure your layout and choose any random order you prefer. I'm not going to recreate exact copy of the website which you saw in a preview, but you got the point, right? So here they are, and you may notice that some styles are already coming from somewhere, and this place is text style. So if you select captions, you can change the size, you can change any other settings. In fact, you can even style them here in CSS, and you can rewrite these styles to be exactly the same that I made. And yeah, this is going to affect every single caption on your website. But the problem is that when you start scanning your website, you see that they are kind of staying large, and if your titles are long enough, so it's going to look ugly. Also for the mobile, we have one column here, but you can change that. I'm gonna stay with one, but yeah, this is the base. And now let's move to the code pen. You will find the link below and copy the CSS. Here is the code pen, and you need to copy only CSS part. So let's scroll down, copy the whole thing, and go back to cargo. Now click the code icon, move to CSS tab, and let's paste it somewhere below. And yeah, it looks exactly how I showed you in a preview. And now let's go through each style and see what we can change. Let's start with the text style. So if you scroll down, you will see the gray hint I made for you, and the font size is going to be 0.7 viewport width. You need to keep it viewport width because this is exactly the thing which makes it responsive, but you can change the value. You can make it larger or whatever you like. And the line height is going to be affecting the placement. So if you make it larger, you see that your captions is going up, but you can make it smaller or even negative. And the text align has 3 values: left, center, or right. Let me show you. Yeah, here it is, but let's go back to left. And next thing you can change is your prefixes. So this thing is stands for your prefix, and this is the thing which stands for your suffix, like the thing before and after your text. You can change the content here, but if you don't need that, you can remove the whole thing, yeah, together with the after prefix. And this is it. The mobile style we can change separately. You may notice that if I remove this line, it's going to be too small, so I decided to set it a little bit larger. But remember that except for the mobile and desktop, you also have all other different type of devices, so be careful and always test your website like published version on a real browser. Just resize the browser and see how it looks on other screen sizes, and let me know in the comments if you want to learn how to customize not only mobile but tablets and any intermediate devices. And I guess we finished, and let me know if you like it. Subscribe to my channel and learn more about cargo customizations. Goodbye.